Welcome to IIIT, International Institute of Information and Technology, Hyderabad. This is an autonomous university founded in 1998. This is one of the most prestigious universities of India. In addition to this, IIIT Hyderabad has grabbed many awards like it is ranked 3 by DataQuest, 20 by India Today Best and ranked 14 by Outlook India. IIIT Hyderabad is located on the Gachibowli main road, and this building consists of 4 main buildings which are named after the mountain ranges as Nilgiri, Vindhya and Himalaya. The campus is spread across 66 acres of land. IIIT was set up as a research university focused on the core areas of information technology such as computer science, electronics and communications, and their applications in other domains. This is the symbol of IIIT, that is the Jagruti, a banyan tree. IIIT Hyderabad was set up as a not-for-profit public-private partnership and is the first IIIT to be set up under this model in India. The government of Andhra Pradesh lends support to the institute by the grant of land and buildings to IIIT Hyderabad. The picture which you are seeing now is the IIIT main building, which is called as Nilgiri. As you know, Nilgiri Hills are a range of mountains with at least 24 peaks above 2000 meters in the westernmost part of Tamil Nadu. The Nilgiri subcluster, including all of Mukurthi National Park in the southeastern corner of the Nilgiris, is under consideration by the UNESCO World Heritage Committee for selection as a World Heritage Site. There are over 2700 species of flowering plants in the sholas of the Nilgiris. No other hill station has so many exotic species. The building which you are seeing now is Vindhya. This Vindhya has the campus bank, that is SBH. The Vindhya is a range of older rounded mountains and hills in the west central Indian subcontinent, which geographically separates the Indian subcontinent into northern India, the Indo-Gangetic Plain and southern India. The creative building which you are seeing now is Himalaya. The Himalayan range is home to some of the planet's highest peaks, including the highest, Mount Everest. The Himalayas have profoundly shaped the cultures of South Asia. Many Himalayan peaks are sacred in both Hinduism and Buddhism. This is Suhana Guest House. This is Palach Nivas, which is also pretty well known as Old Boys Hostel, and this is named after Palach tree. It is said that tree is a form of Agnidev, god of fire. It was a punishment given to him by goddess Parvati for disturbing her and Lord Shiva's privacy. In the Telangana region of Andhra Pradesh, these flowers are specially used in the worship of Lord Shiva on the occasion of Shivratri. In Telugu, this tree is called Moduvu Chettu. This is Kadamba Nivas, which is also pretty well known as New Boys Hostel. Kadam is an evergreen tropical tree native to South and Southeast Asia. A fully mature kadam tree can reach up to 45 meters in height. Shiva and Parvati came to Sahyadri and there a child was born to the divine couple. Since the birth took place under a Kadamba tree, the child was named Kadamba. It is considered the tree of Buddhism and was thought to reunite separated lovers. Radha and Krishna are supposed to have conducted their love play here. This beautiful building is Parijat Niwas. The Parijat tree is a sacred baobab tree in the village of Kintur near Barabanki, Uttar Pradesh, India. Botanical terms, Parijat is known as Adansonia digitata and has been kept in a special category because it does not produce either its fruit or its seeds. Neither can its branch cuttings can be planted to reproduce a second Parijat tree. This is the Parijat tree at Barabanki. This building is Bakul Hostel. Bakul is an evergreen tree which grows to a height of about 12 to 15 meters. The astringent pulp of the ripe fruits of Bakul is used in the treatment of chronic dysentery. This is the basketball court of IIIT Hyderabad. And this is the IIIT Felicity ground where every special event happens. This is the football ground of IIIT. Thank you for watching.